Morning, dear children. Hope you all are fine. Welcome you all to our online class of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. Children, in our previous class, we were discussing about heating effect of electric current and magnetic effect of electric current. I hope all of you have copied the notes in your notebook. So today we will discuss about electromagnets, uses of electromagnets, and about electric bell. An electromagnet is a type of magnet in which the magnetic field is produced by an electric current. Now let us understand it better with the help of an activity. Take around 75 cm long piece of insulated flexible wire and an iron nail, as you can see in the picture. Wind the wire tightly around the nail in the form of a coil. Connect the free ends of the wire to the terminal of a cell. As you can see here, connected to the terminal of a cell through a switch. Now place some pins near the end of the nail. Now switch on the current. Now place some pins near the end of the nail. You will see that pins are clinging to the tip of the nail, because the coil in this activity behaves like a magnet when electric current flows through it. Now you are quite familiar with an electric bulb. Whenever someone comes to your house, he or she rings the doorbell to inform us. But how is the bell able to make a sound? For that, let us understand the construction and working of an electric bell. An electric bell consists of two soft iron rods mounted on a non-metallic strip. The connecting wire is wound like a coil on the rods, which work as an electromagnet, as you can see here. One end of the wire is connected to a contact screw through a switch and a source of current. The other end of the wire is connected to the lower end of the hammer, also called armature. The armature rests on the contact screw. There is a metallic gong placed in front of the hammer. The gong is not connected anywhere in the circuit. When the switch is pressed into the on position, the circuit gets complete and current starts flowing in it. As a result, the soft iron rods with the wire wrapped around them start behaving as electromagnet. The hammer moves towards the gong and strike it and produce the sound. When the switch is pressed into the off position, the soft iron with the coil around it stops behaving like a magnet and the hammer returns to its original position. The process repeats when the switch is pressed again. So children, today we discussed about electromagnets and electric bell. Our chapter is over. I have attached the URL video and notes. All of you please copy the notes in your notebook, and all of you please attend the test paper and post it. Okay, see you in the next class. Till then, take care.